friends, welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie.
Hi!
Today we're going to be making teddy bear beach party snacks. But first, we'll be reading a story. Our story today is called Pete the Cat, Pete at the Beach. It is a hot day. Pete the cat goes to the beach with his mom and his brother Bob. "Let's go in the water," Bob says. "Maybe later," says Pete. Bob likes to surf. He rides the big waves. It looks like fun. "I'm hot," says Pete. "Go in the water," says Mom. "Maybe later," says Pete. Pete makes a sand castle. His mom helps him dig. Here comes a big wave. And there goes Pete. Oh, he's running away from the wave. Oh no! Where did his sand castle go? Bob rides a big wave. "Wow," says Pete. "That looks like fun." Pete and his mom take a walk. They find seashells. They see a crab. Pete's feet get wet. His feet feel cool. The rest of him is hot. It is time for lunch. Pete eats a sandwich. He drinks the lemonade. The sun is very hot, and Pete is very, very hot. Bob is wet and cool. "Let's play ball," says Pete. "No thanks," says Bob. "I want to surf." Pete throws the ball. His mom catches it. "Let's get our feet wet," says Mom. "Well, okay," says Pete. The water is cool. It feels good. Pete goes in deeper. Bob waves to Pete. "I want to show you how to surf," he yells. Pete does not say, "Maybe later." He says, "Let's do it." "Lie on the board," says Bob. Pete lies on the board. "Paddle," says Bob. Pete paddles out. He waits for a big wave. "A big wave is coming." "Stand up," says Bob. Pete stands up. Then Pete falls down. It was scary, but it did not hurt. "Try again later," says Bob. Pete wants to try again now. Pete lies down again. He paddles out and waits. Here comes a wave. Pete stands up. This time he rides the wave. "Good job," says Bob. Pete wants to surf all day. Bob does too, so they take turns. Pete and Bob rock and roll with the waves. What a great day. It is okay to be afraid, but it is more fun to surf. The end. Now that we've read our story, we're going to go ahead and go over the ingredients that you should have received in your bag from the Lenox Public Library. First, you should have a bag full of blue melting wafers.
Look at it like this.
And you should have a bag with a graham cracker and some Teddy Grahams. And you should have a bag with rainbow licorice. In addition to the ingredients that you received in your bag, you will also need a couple of things from home. First of all, we're gonna do our work on this parchment paper. You'll need a microwave safe bowl to melt your melting wafers, a knife, just a butter knife, and a spoon. Welcome back, friends. Now that we have gone over our ingredients and our supplies, we will start making our teddy bear beach party snacks. So I took our melting chocolate, I combined both of ours together, so if it looks like it's more than what you have, that's why. And I put it in my microwave safe bowl. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, took it out, stirred it, put it in for another 10, took it out, stirred it, put it in for another 10 seconds, took it out, stirred it, And I got this consistency where it's all melted. If you need to, you can keep going for 10-second intervals, stirring every time until it gets nice and smooth for you. Next, we are going to open our rainbow licorice and our bag with our graham crackers and Teddy Grahams. If your graham cracker breaks, that's okay. Ours broke. We're only gonna end up using half of it anyway, so where that line is, we're actually just gonna break it there anyway. The rest of it we're gonna put back in our bag and we're gonna crush that up in a couple minutes. Now we're gonna take our teddy bear and we're gonna measure how big the teddy bear is on our piece of licorice. This licorice is gonna be like a little towel for our teddy bear. And we're gonna do 2 of those. I'm gonna do this one. We're just gonna cut it so that our bear can lay on a towel. Then we're going to spread our melted blue chocolate onto our graham cracker. Just a nice layer. Trying to make the ocean.
All of it?
Yep, the whole thing is fine. Alright. Now that I have some water on my graham cracker, I'm going to take this graham cracker and I'm going to start crunching it up in the bag. And this is going to be our sand. Put that down like that. So you want to crunch it up real good. That's a lot of water.
Yeah, I'm gonna blend it.
Oh, you're going to smooth it out? Okay. Do it over this. In case you lose some. It's okay if you get a little messy. That's the fun
It's
part.
hard.
That's the fun part of cooking. So my graham crackers are pretty much sandy now. Put it down. That's why we have the parchment paper on there. And then I'm going to take my graham crackers and I'm going to add my sand to 1/2 of my beach. I'm just going to pat it on there. And then I'm going to add a little dollop of chocolate to one side of my towel. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna put it down. And then I'm gonna add another little dollop to one side of one of my bears and put him down on his towel. And I'm gonna do the same for the other towel. I'm going to add my chocolate to the back of my other bear and put him on the towel. And then I'm going to bite this bear like where his arms start. I'm going to bite him off and chew him up. And I'm going to stick him in the water like he's swimming. Just like that. And then I'm going to put these into the freezer for about 5 minutes and let the chocolate harden, and then we'll come back and we'll taste them. All right, friends, it's been about 5 minutes since we put our beach party teddy bear snacks into the freezer, and the chocolate is nice and hard now. We would like to show you ours. hope that you had fun making this snack with us. And we'll see you next time on Cooking with Kyra. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye, friends.